Hey guys, it's Ashley and we are in episode 3 of Fashion Lands, and today I am going to be giving you a little bit of modeling one-on-one for anybody who is interested in what starting out as a model is about, or who wants to become a model. I have some pointers for you. So the first thing that you are going to do is take some digitals. So digitals are basically just some photos with a camera or your iPhone, and you're just going to take very plain and simple photos, preferably wearing all black or a black tank top and some blue jeans, dark blue jeans. Make sure everything is fitted, some nice black heels, and you're going to take a headshot. You're going to take a mid-length shot, so from your waist up. You're going to take a full body shot, and you're going to take some profile shots. And the profile shots will look like this. That's how you take profile shots. And when you take a headshot, you don't want to take a headshot like this. You don't want to smile, you want to be serious like this. And you want to have, like, you know, some seriousness to your face and in your eyes. Also, you do not want to wear any makeup. If you're just starting out in modeling and you take these photos, no makeup. If you do wear makeup, just put a little bit of concealer on your eyes, maybe around your nose. For your lips, I would do the same color as your lips, or just like chapstick or lip balm. And if you have natural hair, I would wear it like mine, or you can pull it back in a ponytail. So you can see your cheekbones and like your features. So basically, you will have your hair like this. So once you get those pictures, you go online, you look for agencies that you think are fitting to your look, and you go to see how to submit to those agencies. Back in the day, you would mail your pictures, but it's been extremely long since people do that. I don't do that. Nobody did that, maybe back in the day, but you submit your photos online. If they have an open call, you find out what day it is, you go to the open call, and preferably you wear the same exact thing you wore in your photos and look exactly the same way. They want to be able to recognize you. If you get signed to a modeling agency, they'll probably set you up with some photographers to get some test shoots. And test shoots are very simple and basic photos just to get a feel of how you look in photography. So when you go to a casting, it doesn't need to be all extravagant. They will send you out with your test shoots that you took with your photographer, and that is pretty much enough to get casted for a job if you have good photos. If you don't have test shoots yet, a lot of times your agent will send you with the digitals that you took, or maybe they took them over after they liked you, and you'll just go like that. If you don't have comp cards yet, that's okay. A lot of times now you could put your comp card on your iPad, or you could have a book. And a lot of times the agency, they'll print out a comp card for you, and I'll put up what a comp card looks like. So you'll either have a comp card of the digitals that you took that look like this, or you'll have a comp card of the professional photos that you took that look like this. Yeah, you'll start booking jobs, you'll start shooting with more people. If you're not signed to an agency, or if you were signed to an agency and then you're not anymore, and you worked with photographers before, you can definitely work with them again if you build up a good relationship with them. You can reach out to professional photographers that you know have shot with professional models. Ask them if they're willing to collab with you or do test shoots with you. And a lot of times they'll say yes, or they'll say they're busy, or they think that maybe this type of photographer might be more suitable for you. So I would say always shoot with a great photographer. You don't want to do anything amateur. You don't want to wear too much makeup when you're doing test shoots. And just keep working at your craft. If you haven't done a shoot or booked a job in a while, always practice at home. Make sure that you get your posing good. So like you put your hand on your face like this, you look down like that. You know, you do stuff like this. You want to kind of frame your face, or if you're posing, put your hands like, can you see? This, you want to pose, and just do different stuff at home in the mirror. That will help you get better and improve on your craft. What else? So, you're going to face a lot of rejection. There are people that are going to ghost you, they're not going to respond to you, you're going to submit to agencies, they're going to say, this is not good, they don't like that, sorry, we have somebody else that looks like you, they might not even respond. Or they say, hey, you look great, let's talk, come on Friday, let's follow up on Thursday, and then Thursday comes and they disappear. It happens. They don't answer your phone calls. Don't take it personal. People are limited to their own potential, so just keep, if you really want to model, just keep pushing and going forward, going after it. That's it, guys, and if you have any questions, any more information you would like to know, please put it in the comments down below. And I would like to give my condolences to Virgil Abloh. He was the creative designer for men's Louis Vuitton and the CEO of the Off-White label, and he was an amazing innovator and extraordinary overall creative person, and I would like to give condolences to him and everyone that loved him and his family. Bye, guys.